Algebra 2 students, this is lesson 3.1 over solving systems of equations. The first thing we need to discuss is what a system of equations is. They are a set of two or more equations using the same variables or letters. There are three types of systems. The first type of system is called consistent and independent. In this case, the lines have different slopes and they will intersect or cross one time. They do or do not have to be perpendicular. The answer for a consistent and independent system is a point, which means it's an x comma y, found at the intersection of the lines. The second set, or second type of system, is consistent and dependent. In this case, you have the same slope and same y-intercept. Which means you have exactly the same line. The answer to a consistent and dependent system is infinitely many solutions, because you can put any combination of points you want to in that type of system and it will always work. The third type of system is an inconsistent system. Inconsistent systems have the same slope but different y-intercepts. Because they have the same slope and different intercepts, that means that they never cross. The solution to an inconsistent system is no solution. Because solutions only occur where the lines cross, these lines never cross, therefore they cannot have a solution. If you will look in your composition book, you will find that information in the composition book in a summary table, but I thought it would be better to present it to you in definition format. If you look on the first page of Lesson 3.1 in the notes, I would like for you to look at number 1. Number 1 has 3x minus y equals negative 2. So we need to subtract 3x from both sides. So we have negative y equals negative 3x minus 2. Then divide everything by negative 1. So y equals 3x plus 2. So the slope is 3 and the y-intercept is 2. You always graph the intercept first. So you go Students, I wrote this problem down incorrectly, so I'm going to fix it. This should be 3x plus y. So this would be a plus y. Then we're dividing by plus 1. So then it's negative 3x minus 2. So the slope is negative 3 and the y-intercept is negative 2. I'm so sorry. I hope that doesn't confuse you. Okay, we always start with the y-intercept, which is here. To do a slope of negative 3, you go down 3, right 1. Down 3, right 1. Or you can go up 3, left 1. And so there's our line. Well, pitiful, but there it is. Okay, the other equation on that one is 6x plus 2y equals 10. Subtract 6x from both sides. And we have 2y equals negative 6x plus 10. Divide every one by 2. So y equals negative 3x plus 5. The slope is negative 3. The y-intercept is 5. We always graph the intercept first. So go up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a slope of negative 3 means to go down 3, right 1. Down 3, right 1. You should either label the lines with the equation or you can color code them with different colors. The two lines never cross, so our answer is inconsistent They never cross. Crossing is the only way to have a solution, so there is no solution. If you will look at number 4 on the first page of notes, you have 4x plus y equals negative 2. Subtract 4x from both sides. So y equals negative 4x minus 2. The slope is negative 4. The y-intercept is negative 2. We need to always start with the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is negative 2. A slope of negative 4 means to go down 4, right 1, or up 4, left 1. So there's the line for that equation. The other equation is 2x plus y over 2 equals negative 1. Subtract 2x from both sides. So you have y over 2 equals negative 2x minus 1. The way to undo divide by 2 is to multiply by 2. But if I multiply this by 2, I have to multiply every one by 2. So that gives us y equals 2 times negative 2 is negative 4x. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. So our slope is negative 4, and our y-intercept is negative 2. So to graph that, we start with the y-intercept, which is negative 2. A slope of negative 4 means to go down 4, right 1, or up 4, left 1. And if you'll notice, my lines are superimposed over each other. So that means the solution, the type of system is consistent and dependent. And there are infinitely many solutions. Okay, one more. If you look at number 6 on the same page, you have 3x minus y equals 2. Subtract 3x from both sides. So you have negative y equals negative 3x plus 2. Divide by negative 1. So y equals 3x minus 2. So the slope is 3, and the y-intercept is negative 2. We always graph the intercept first, so go down to negative 2. Then the slope is 3, which means to go up 3, right 1, or you can go down 3, left 1. The other equation on that problem is x plus y equals 6. Subtract x from both sides, so y equals negative x plus 6. The slope is negative 1, the y-intercept is 6. That means we need to go to 6 on the y-axis because we start with the y-intercept and put our point. A slope of negative 1 means to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, and there's the line for it. Because these lines cross one time, the type of system is consistent because they cross, and independent because they go on and do their own thing from the point of intersection. The answer is the point where they cross, which is written as an xy. So that is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.